Hello. Welcome to the stream. How you guys doing? Running a little bit behind you. I was trying to get I have like these new Lucid accounts I'm trying to get set up. And I had to open the new version of MotiveWave to find Lucid as like a login system. And so now I'm trying to, get the new version of MotiveWave updated because I haven't used that in a while. So that's all I'm up to. Hope everyone's doing well. Nikhil, hello, how you doing? Froggy, what's going on? There's a name in Arabic I can't pronounce. How you doing? Kevin, what's going on? Burl, Macy, Ronald Hall, what's up? Oscar, how you doing? Slee, Miguel, good morning. Eddie, happy Capital Preservation Friday. What's going on? Grizz, how you doing? Arnesis, good morning. Miguel's expecting a move up, but first a dip under 25, 630-ish to 615. So we're at VWAP right now, which VWAP open is definitely yellow flag conditions for me. So dip under, so to 630 is yesterday's close, and then we had the pivot at around 617 and a half. So Miguel, I like that level there. Let's just move this over. All right. What's up, Jacob? Golden, Lupek. Koliha, good morning. Fufu, what up? Okay, let me look at some levels here real quick. Mark up my chart. And then I'll be back with you in a moment. Market's gonna be opening up in about 20 seconds. All right, there we go. And a week strong, gang.
This is all wet and it's slick and it's ready to go.
All right, it's a 2-hour supply here. PDH hit on ES there. You just go for one to one? Not usually. Sometimes. Usually it's more than that. 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5. All right, next supply zone hit here, along with R1 pivot. Overnight highs about to get hit. There we go. Overnight highs hit. London swept. PDH on ESNQ. So Grazy, grab that long then. Nice, man. Yeah, that happened fast. Really fast. Eddie, did you grab that? Yo, I can't get over this Tradeify brand ambassador being just a dart player, dart guy. That's so freaking random. So funny. Nice job, Eddie. I'm trading 5 new Lucid Flex accounts. Gonna try out Lucid Flex. And I think once funded, I'm gonna probably trade them all separately, just based off how I've been trading lately. I think it'll be nice to split them up and not copy trade them all together. Zachary, what up? Good morning. How you doing? How you living over there? Mugabe, what up? How you doing? Hello from South Africa. Nice. Thanks for tuning in. Man, Motivewave moved some stuff around on the new version. That's kind of annoying. Where's all the tools and everything? Yeah, this is weird. Trying to find my zones, my green boxes, my red boxes. Come on, Moto. I don't even know how to get more of them. Where are they? Well, oh well. So you're printing at 80.5. They'll probably get tagged here. G-Man, what up? Beatsville, good morning. Harshop, good morning. All right, so we got consumer sentiment today at top of the hour. Nice, there's a zero print fill. And PCE. Yeah, so top of the hour should give us some volatility. So if you're in a trade going into it, heads up. You might not want to be. You want to protect yourself. All that PCE sentiment coming out all at the same time. Durable goods, yada yada. This is the daily. I mean, this is why I have not enjoyed trading the last couple sessions here. These dailies here. And how do you copy a freaking drawing? Did they change that too? Whatever. Not loving that. Bookmap Super Dom and zero prints. Dude, you know how much money that would be per month just for zero prints? I could just monitor it in any Dom, you know? I'm not spending $65 or whatever a month on for zero prints. And opening up another application, you know? Man, I'm not used to this MotiveWave stuff. They changed the how to add studies, right? Am I missing it? Why would they change that? Jeez. It's annoying. All right. What's up, Ken? Good morning. Money, what up? Good morning. All right, moving on down. We got VWAP next. So we swept overnight highs, overnight lows. That could be nice. Could be one of those days where you hit both in the morning sesh. It's not too crazy of a range. Ugh, my fibs are all messed up. 175 point range. Oh, that's pretty good, I guess. Man. This is a mess, bro. Excuse me while I clean this up. Moving through VWAP. All right. Just checking this trade copier here, making sure everything's good. VWAP at 700. Just looking for a little bounce off this. This is just one micro right now. Just want to make sure everything's working well. What's up, Mike? How you doing? That's weird. Now, why does it not put my P&L in session P&L? I have a session P&L column. Look at this. Session P&L is blank. It's under total P&L. That's whack. That should be under session. This is the session. Man. This new MotiWave, I want to love it, but man, there's some weird shit going on, huh? Error occurred? Oh, great. Yeah, MotiWave 7 needs to go back to freaking testing. This is a mess. I don't know. Potato microphone, your MFFU at 50K is at $53,003. Do I take the chance and wait to see if they'll pass my eval? Or do I try to make another $100 to $300 to secure it? Why would you need to make more money to secure it? You only need to make more if you're not following the 50% rule. Other than that, you're good. Oh, this is for a payout? Oh, it's a funded account. Wait. No, you don't need to make a $100 profit daily. That's just in the funded account, man. For the eval, you just need to hit your profit goal and maintain 50% consistency. So you're good as long as you haven't made more than like $1,500 in one day. But you're good. What's up, Jake? How you doing? Okay, so does this 5-minute wick count as low time frame liquidity sweep? We move up from here. You can call it whatever you want. To me, that's just a VWAP test. You could, it's a test of the open. You can call it whatever you want. But I like to hold a VWAP and 700, so that's why I took the initial long. Just didn't give it enough room there. All right, Potato Microphone, have a good weekend. Catch you later. Bar Chef, not a fan of this. I mean, it was a VWAP open, so that's kind of yellow flag there for me. Dan, did you become a millionaire while you're gone? Yeah, 10 times over, man. Crushing it. When were you gone? Were you not here yesterday? Who was I talking to about their Starbucks then? So 5-minute chart, whoops. 5-minute chart does look pretty good to the upside, in my opinion. It's pretty clean. Oh, yesterday sucked, honestly. Yesterday sucked. You talked to someone else about their Starbucks? No, I didn't. I would never. Nice job, Froggy. Don't even bother looking at the charts the rest of the day, man. Don't even bother. It's VWAP open. It's Friday. We got news coming up. Just chill. That's what I would do. I took just a quick little test trade on 1 micro. I was looking long there off VWAP in 700 and decent idea, but didn't give the trade enough room. Why isn't it? There it is. Man, this is buggy as hell. There's a trade along there. Stop out at 698. Is Trade Syncer still causing issues? I don't know. I'm not using it. I don't have anything to copy. I mean, I can just use Motorway's built-in trade copy for this. Grizz, did you play that bounce off VWAP there? It's pretty clean. Funny ticks, I blew it yesterday. I tilted a little bit. I posted the trade that I flattened at break even, then it shot up. And I was just not in the mood. Not trading well. Nice, Eddie. It's baking day at Eddie's house, so he's super excited. My wife with my mom and a couple of my aunts all doing their big annual Christmas baking. Dude, that's nice. I love eating baked goods. I don't like baking, right? So, sounds ideal, man. TickTick profit score not updating. You can reach out to their support. Their support always gets back to me within like 30 minutes. Motive Wave. Sorry, not Motive Wave. My Fun and Future is putting their pro accounts back on sale for 50% off for new users with code Dan. So 50% off the pro account on My Fun and Futures is the best deal that I've seen for that account. Makes it $113 for the pro account. No activation fee. 100K payout request cap per user with the pro account. So that's a big benefit of the pro account. So if you're somebody who can run up their funded accounts, then you want the pro account. The top right chart in the volume session profile, the orange line is the POC, and their big orders were placed. It's not necessarily big orders, but it's just the most volume transacted. So, it could be a bunch of small orders to be technical about it. But yeah, this line here is POC. By price, that's where most of the volume has been conducted so far in the session. Big Dixby, what up? How'd your last few months go? It's kind of a mixed bag. Lately, it's been not going so well. But, got some nice trading in there. Well, all right. It's interesting. A little divergence here with VIX. Unless this is not updating for some reason. No, it is. Little divergence with VIX. Nice job, Mayan. Only for the pro plan, Macy, yeah. For new users. If you're an existing user, it's 30% off. Well, long over there looks pretty decent. There's 800. Oh boy. Yeah, reminder news here in 4.5 minutes. So not a bad break and retest here to the upside. But we do have news coming out in 2 minutes, so I'm not taking it. Okay, news dropping here in 20 seconds, so heads up. Don't say I didn't tell you. Honestly, things look a little pretty bullish here, but this it's kind of low volume. I'm not sure I buy it really, but it's, you know, hard to short. All right, there's news. Nikhil, in your paper trading in the 15-minute time frame, you thought there's a nice wick followed by a green candle and thought it is a reversal for an uptrend. Is your assumption correct? Are you talking about 7:43 my time here on this chart, bottom left of my screen? You're talking about this right here? This area? Yeah, that candle followed by the next one there. Yeah, that's a good reversal setup, potentially. I wouldn't see that and think short for sure, so. I've thought about using footprint candles. Like a footprint chart? I've used a footprint chart before. I don't really get a lot out of it though. It's just, I don't want to devote an entire screen to it, you know? Well, what is this? Exit strategy is not supported by this broker? That's weird. I like this pump on ES here. See if NASDAQ can get a little bit of it through 800 here. Is this a fucking micro again? God damn it. Jesus. I swear to God, I switched it from cross trading. That shit drives me nuts. Fucking wasting my time here. Micro. Jesus. Fucking Motive Wave. Stupid ass platform. Sorry. I swear to God, I turned cross trading off. I don't know why it's back on. It drives me insane. Just a waste of a good trade there. It's frustrating. Should be a fucking mini there. 830 is my target. 829. Would have been a really nice trade. Whatever. Cross trading's off. All right. Phew. Well, I didn't really like having to launch this application at like 8:22 in the morning. You know, right before the market opens, right before I start my stream. What are those red lines on the heat map? They're limit orders. That's what a heat map is. It's showing you limit orders. The bubbles are transactions. Did I find my boxes? No, I don't know where they are and I don't know where to find them. They changed shit they didn't need to change. No one said, hey, Motivive, get rid of the wrench where I can find all the tools. No one said that, I'm sure. They're like, let's get rid of the fucking wrench. I mean, it's probably in here somewhere just to find out where they fucking put it. It's just annoying. Like, there's just certain stuff they just changed that did not need changing. I don't get it. All right. Well, about to hit my target. Buy or sell limit orders? Well, if it's above price, then it's not a buy limit order, right? That's not a thing. So if it's above price, then it's a sell limit order. Man, that sucks ass. Target acquired without me in the trade because I didn't want to sit in one mini. It seems like a waste of my time. Why do you have book map on ES and chart trades on NASDAQ? Well, have you seen NASDAQ on book map or heat map? I don't find it as helpful here, so. It's very fast, right? The orders aren't as large. There's not as much information on here. So ES though, since they're so often just pretty tightly correlated, I just find it easier to read ES and to derive some relevant information from it. What's up, Riley? How you doing? Well, honestly, we probably just float higher here. It's really annoying. Nice job, Riley. All right, well, I don't have a whole lot. The ticket counts are gone. Here's like an example. So it wasn't like a necessarily like a crash out. I mean, it was just like a slow. I just couldn't get it going. This month so far has just been shit for me. So they were cooking along really nicely. You know, need two more days of $250, and I was at 51,481, right? And then I lost 615 on the first. Hang on. 615 on the first, 613. You know, so just kind of like hit my personal daily loss limit 2 days back to back, and then another red day. This day was frustrating because I was in an open trade that was up $450, and I was looking for a little bit more. And then this day, yesterday, I was up $300, and then just tried pushing a little bit more and turned it into a red day. So, and that was it. And that's times 10. So it's pretty brutal, honestly. Kind of crushed my morale. It's a $6,000 payout that it's like 2 days away, you know. So I'm on Lucid accounts right now, Lucid Flex. But yeah, it's not been a good start to the month. I'm just having a hard time. So. Yeah, it doesn't really make me feel any better though. Parsha. Do I still revise strategy? I mean, yeah, I try to improve for sure. I got to get better executions. Absolutely. Most of my analysis plays out. It's just my executions aren't there, or handling intra trade, handling the trade well. All right, so R2 pivot. This is the only level I thought we might pull back from a little bit. I need to turn snapping on. Snap. It's got to snap to OHLC. How do I do that here? Again, changing stuff on me. I don't know where the snapping is. You said you trade heavily like Carmine? No, I don't trade heavily, no. Or I don't. What do you mean by that? Carmine doesn't trade heavily. I mean, he trades the largest size, but that's because he has a large account. Only trade evals heavily. What platform are you using? This is MotiveWave. Oh, similar strategy. Yeah, somewhat similar. I mean, he's just a little bit more order flow centric. Not that. No, Parsha Carmen's not trading today. He's traveling. How'd you get the bid ask on the top? Didn't you just see me do it? Just the plus sign, ask volume, and bid volume. All right, let's find another level then. That looks good. Hourly's about to close, right? 30 minute, 15. I like the 15 the best right now. $8.14 or so, $8.15. All right, so just gonna see what happens in this area here. If we give up this area, I like a VWAP, PDH VWAP retest here. If we show support here, I think just playing along again might be okay. After a couple of weeks of trading, I've come to realize that I'm an idiot when it comes to shorting and have roughly an 80% win rate at longs. So as a smart day trader, I'm going to continue to short the market. Well, That could change, right? I think, for it to be relevant, you need to know those stats throughout different cycles of the market. I'm going to slouch today, so I'll point the camera down a little bit. I'll be a little slouchy. A little slouch potato. Didn't Tradeovate partner with Fast Track Trading? I don't remember. But maybe. Curious what it is you like about them in particular? I made a video and I talked about it. It's base hits on instant funded with no consistency rule. What's not to like? I mean, about their management, I don't know. I mean, what I do know is when I reach out to support, they've always gotten back to me within like an hour. And when the Project X went down, they gave me back some of my winning trades from that day. Eddie wasn't so lucky, but they did give me back some of those. They paid me out timely. So like I didn't have any issues with them. Etam, what up? How you doing? All right, I'm going to look for it to maybe top out here. How am I doing so far? Well, just platform issues, man. It's user issues, user errors on this platform that it's just a little different than I'm used to. But I had a nice long that ended up being on 1 micro instead of 1 mini, and I just killed it. So pretty much flat on the day, minus $20 or whatever. So I don't know, I feel a little annoyed. It's been a frustrating couple of weeks. Eddie posted that email and no, it was on Twitter. I saw it. That's where I saw it. All right. Might be, see if we can roll over here or not. That was my relative that he said lives in Hungary. Good. Yeah, good. They like it over there. What's up, Northfield? How you doing? Do you still use the tabs up? Not really. Every once in a while, I try it out. Do you still have that Rhythmic Top Step account? No, I think they shut it off. You know, I think that one's long gone. I swear over the weekend I heard one of your tracks over Sealy Mattress ad. You might have. They do get placed in ads every once in a while. Usually, like, I think on social media is the most common. One of my songs was in some like Steph Curry Instagram reel at one point. Someone tagged me in it. NQ heat map. I don't really like looking at it. It's right here. $249 lots there on ES. Hit and ask. What do you think about copy trading 5 prop accounts from one company on MotiveWave? I'm literally doing it right now. So, you know, there's five accounts from Lucid. So I'm doing it. If you're doing it though, please have RTrader open. in case you need to flatten. Sometimes the trade copier in MotiveWave, when you try to flatten specifically, you click flatten all, they'll sometimes kind of not flatten every account. So I would recommend having RTrader open. In case you need to flatten out, you can do it very quickly in RTrader. Like, you're kind of cutting out the middleman of MotiveWave there and, killing the trade instantly. So. I run it in parallels, but yeah, that's probably the easiest way to do it. But I gotta stop hesitating on some of these setups. I almost grabbed this long, and then I was like, and then it started moving. I gotta stop. I've been hesitating a lot the last this whole week. Definitely have me second guessing. When did YouTube change to handles instead of display names? Maybe like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, something like that. They've done it on and off. Like, they've kind of toyed with the idea of doing that, I think. Like, I think they want it so it's easier to tag people, because right now, it's like, it wasn't built for that. But when you like respond to someone, sometimes it's like, it's hard to tag the person you're talking to in like a comment section or, anything like that. Go long, Dan. I agree with you. I think it is, long seems fine. I wanted to long down there and I didn't do it, so. But this kind of consolidation on the 5 minute, not only could you scan it like a barcode, but I think getting in a little bit lower in the 30s, I think will be easier if we continue chop. VIX is around the lows, but it's not really put new lows in as ES has gotten higher. I don't think our low was at 9 a.m., so VIX has not really moved any lower. All right. All right, so here's a little move lower. We had a jab into the 30s. Yeah. What's up, Guillermo? How you doing, man? I feel like this entry could work. It's not my favorite. That'd be in at 30. Sure ride, Jin. I just got back from Korea. Hope you had a good trip. My week's been terrible. From a trading perspective. Been terrible. All right, so here's where I said was a better entry. Feel the same conundrum as yesterday when I'm like, this is where I'd rather be long, but do I really want to be long if we get back down here again? I'm gonna do it because the risk is good. It's worth it. Next stop is just under the 30s here. So, you know, jabs lower, stops me out. I mean, so be it. I hope it doesn't do that. Yeah, I don't recognize your name. So it must have been, you know, changed things to your handle. So maybe your handle was like that originally. Your display name was different. I feel a little sus about this. I think I'll be ready to flatten this. I could see it just pushing lower here. But also, I don't really mind 10 points of risk here either. This platform's motive wave. Yeah, there's the stop here. Yeah. Again, I think the risk reward was good enough to try it. I move lower. You know, here's the area I'm looking at. See what price does around here. Paul, I was trying to log into my Lucid accounts, and Lucid as a system to log in under wasn't listed on MotiveWave 6. So unfortunately, I had to load up this piece of shit. Yeah, I think the shorts are good. Maybe, so if we could just get a little hit off this 50% level, Retest that previous support here, and then move on down. I like that. Target 755. Wow, Trent, you're really going for it, aren't you? All right, well, I'm going to sit in a short here. I'm not going to wait for anything else. I'm just going to hop in. And VWAP is quite a ways away, huh? Oh, that's right, Andy. I need to recognize the avatar. Don't do it now, but check the ask prices on ESDOM. They are whacked. Well, I had it open earlier. So on this one, I think it was on my other screen. I don't mind doing it now. The ask volume or the ask prices? The ask prices? What do you mean by that? Like they're just... All right. 800 next. Yes, column doesn't show the right counts. Okay. Wow. All right, 800's here. Ugh. Okay, so right now it's a bounce off 800. This is the zone I was looking to see what happened with the ellipse. You can probably, let's see, there. This is the zone that I had drawn here. See what would happen. And you can see there's like kind of a perfect little area, a nice little pocket between the 50% retracement and this is cycle level 800 and 5-minute demand. So it's kind of a nice little pocket there to watch. That's why I drew it out like that. I think if we can get a rejection, and I wish I had my boxes. I don't know where they are, and I don't know how to find them. But if we get a rejection around here and move back down, I might add another contract to this one. What up, CYB? How you doing? Want me to try earn to trade? Yeah, maybe. I know earn to trade wants me to try earn to trade. They email me often. Let's check other time frames. With it bouncing off that area and reclaiming, should you not exit for the invalidation? I'm giving this one room. This whole buy up thing, I didn't really buy it. You know what I mean? Like, I want to see it move lower, and it just might be a little choppier to get there. Look at that. We hit off the low volume node there on ES. That was pretty clean, too. All right, I mentioned about adding here. If it could reject, it has rejected. All right, I'm gonna add another here. Nice drop here. I think I deleted an order by accident. Picking up some speed here. Take one off. Nice job, Guillermo. Okay, nice push. All right, there it is. Still got an account open that's not exiting correctly. That's why it's nice to have Rhythmic open, you know? I actually need to make sure we're all out of everything because something seems a little wacky here. There's some like sell order there. Cancel all. I don't know what. Oh, please don't fuck me. That shouldn't be a thing there. Great exit though, overnight highs. Why does it not show the P&L? Dude, Motivewave 7 is fucking garbage. And I love Motivewave, but what the hell is this? Look, no P&L. Did they move it to session now? Like before it wasn't showing under session. No, there's just no P&L. This is so fucking stupid. I hope it doesn't, I hope it doesn't screw me over in some way. It's acting a little weird, and when it does that, I get a little nervous. Like, what is this order here? You know, there's no order there. So hang on, I gotta log into RTrader just to follow my own advice here. Hang on, I gotta just make sure everything's good because don't want to get boned here. Come on. Gosh, dang it. The version of RTrader I have does not have Lucid on there either. Damn. Man. I hope everything's good. But usually when something like that's not good. That just makes me nervous. It's a good example, again, of having Rhythmic open, protect yourself. This is why, in case something goes weird with your platform. There's always stuff going wrong with trading technology. You know what I mean? So you just have to like expect it. So on Rhythmic, you just highlight everything, pull working orders and exit positions. Okay, now the P&L shows up there. So I don't know what that's about, but okay. All right, now that that's taken care of, I'm just gonna restart here. It's a really nice drop there. Look at Prop from Grillo while I reload. Wow, what a slick ass sight. Wow. Let's go back to Chicago maybe. Dan, you're going to LA for a month, right? Nothing's planned right now. No. I want to. Don't you love it when like there's gaps in your data when you reload? That was a beautiful trade though. You know, I did mention maybe a bounce Stop moving my chart, please. Fucking asshole. Why are you... man. I've had it. I've had it with Motive Wave. Anyways. I was looking for a retest of this level. And we did get it. We bounced up 800 and got it. But I didn't want to hesitate any longer. With us giving away that support, it just looked really toppy. And I had a 1 OP bearish cross. All these things. VIX wasn't really pushing lower like you'd expect. And so pulling that trigger there, and instead of hesitating, which I mentioned earlier, hesitation was just kind of killing me. And when the long didn't work out, like I mentioned, it was good risk reward. Is worth a shot just to see if we bounce again. Nothing wrong with flipping long then, and looking for the move lower. And then the ad was really nice too. That ad right before we accelerated was really sweet. I took one off at 81.5, another off at 59.75. And now we just had a nice breakthrough VWAP and a retest. Subsequent rejection. So that was a pretty nice one. And again, these are 5 Lucid accounts. They do have the Lucid Flex has a consistency rule, so it's a 2-day pass instead of the usual 1-day pass on Lucid. But there's no buffer once you pass, so that's why I wanted to give it a shot, because I don't like the buffer. There are payout caps that are kind of tight. I think it's 1,500 or 1,250. It's on. It's a little tighter of a payout cap, but that's all right. I just need to get my mojo back, But down move still looks pretty good here. What's up, Kelvin? You're 17 years old and your family currently lives on food stamps and government assistance. My goal is when I turn 18 in April, I'm open a funded account and try to make 10K by the end of 2026. Any tips? It's going to be a splash of cold water, not to get you down, but just because I've done this long enough now where I feel like I can give you a little bit of advice. And I've said this on stream many times before. If you really need the money, trading is nearly impossible, and that sucks. You have to just get a more stable income first. It's like I give the example when I was like 20, 21 years old. I didn't really have much of a job. I was playing in a band. I was really broke, and I would play online poker, right? And I was like desperate to like make it work. But when I did like a put $5 in a sit and go tournament, I would get pretty pissed when I lost, and I couldn't play I couldn't play correctly. I was too tight of a poker player, because honestly, the $5 was a lot to me, and I couldn't really. I had my very, mild success where I took a couple, withdrawals from my account and paid my rent, but it's way too hard when you're so precious about the money, right? And so when the money is that precious to you, it's really hard to risk and accept losses and handle the emotions of it. I think it's nearly impossible. So I think if you want to get good at trading, you do have to just work on upping your income. Just do whatever you can. You do Uber Eats and delivery, so you have some capital. Okay, it's just trust me. It's like one of those things where if you feel like a precious way about the $150 on a funded account, it's going to be so hard, and it's going to be very tough emotionally. It's really hard to. I have a hard time. Look, I can lose $150. I'm fine, but it sucks, and it's still the emotions of trying to get a payout it's all very, very challenging when you're not precious about the money. So, take that, as you will, but I wish you the best, of course, but it is very challenging. Just please know that. Don't let anyone tell you it's easy. Don't think you can buy a course and it'll let you get a 10K payout. It doesn't work like that. It's just so hard. So just know that, okay? Remo, you're long NASDAQ 731 entry. You want a long after all that? Oof, I don't. Maybe we get a view up hold here on ES. But to me, it still looks a little bearish. If you look at the 15-minute, pretty large, heavy candle there. So honestly, I kind of want to see more lows. Move lower and a push of IBL there. No take profit and stop loss. Oh, for Rumo's trade. Strong bids got filled at the lows. What's up, Takian? How you doing? Also, who are we talking to? Kelvin. I'm gonna post a link here. I think it's called exclamation point series. This is my becoming a funded trader series, and you can kind of watch the saga as I try to become funded. Is it not exclamation point series, or is Streamlabs broken? I haven't actually seen Streamlabs post today. I demo trade currently, and if I can take my trading view account from 100K to 500K, I think it'll be good. No, I mean, I have months. Like some people in chat are saying, paper trading doesn't properly simulate the nerves you might feel with money on the line. It's completely different. You notice my heart rate monitor in the bottom left. You know, like sometimes that starts ticking up, and on paper trading, I'm literally never nervous paper trading, right? Why would I be? You can reset if you mess up. It's so different. It's so completely different. You already watched all 3 parts? Okay, good. But yeah, it's just, I don't know. It's so different, man. I think, I would say that the funding firms, like that kind of environment is good to get you that feeling of something on the line while limiting what's on the line, right? So as long as you don't get in this cycle of like, oh, resetting like every day or whatever. Like when I did it, I didn't reset very often, you know. I would trade the account I took it seriously. Like if I lost $1,000 in an eval, I felt like I lost $1,000 in my, own money. That's how serious I took it. And that's, so the 11 months I spent trying to get funded, like, did help shape me as a trader and did make me a better trader. I wasn't ready yet to become funded. That's why, it was hard. Yeah, Eddie says paper trading and trading with stakes is not even comparable, honestly. Comparable. Paper trade to get comfortable with the platform and execute trades, but move to cheap evals as soon as possible. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, there's a good Mark Douglas 4-part series on YouTube. That's good. Also, Kelvin. This book, Best Loser Wins by Tom Hugard. Definitely read that book. Tackyard after 5 green weeks. This one red on the main combine. Lucid is on last leg. Still not giving up though. You got this, man. Get it. What's up, Botan? How you doing, man? Why not buy Dan's Trendline course for casual $9.99? Oh no, that was the Black Friday sale. It's now back to its normal price of $9,999. Best 3-minute course you'll ever find. UncleDan'sTrendlineCourse.com. What's the popular one? Psychology of Money? I don't know that one, but what? Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone. Best Loser Wins. The Mental Game of Trading. All three. Jacob, somebody already did buy that domain. Go to UncleDan'sTrendlineCourse.com. See what happens. Do you still think the market's going lower? Yeah, I mean, I think so. I could obviously, could bounce here and push up to 800 again, something like that. But I would like to see us do some work under VWAP here. Giveaway. What is it? Friday? It's Friday. I could do a Apex giveaway. I think. I don't think I have any other coupon codes. Let me check. I got Apex. I gave away the Tradeify growth one, right? Jacob, did you ever get that? Did I send you that code? I don't think I sent you the code, Jacob, did I? That's what I'm checking, Trent. I think I gave it. I think Jacob already won it. I don't think I sent it to him though, right? Oh wait, no. Jacob, you've already won 3. Did someone win the Tradeify? Someone won the Tradeify growth account. I thought it was Jacob. On the spin the wheel. Yes, starting to jab a little lower here. Yeah, I think Jacob won it. Dude, that'd be his 4th win. Isn't that crazy? So I think I already gave that one away. Well, I'm just looking at my DMs, Trent, and I've already DM'd him 3 codes. He won in September, November, and December already. He won December 2nd. But that was a Lucid account. You had no luck with that domain? Uncle Dan's TrendlineCourse.com. Is it not working? Yeah, there you go. Jacob, did you win that Tradeify? Because I didn't get a DM from you. Who won the Tradeify one? Didn't I give that away already? Maybe I gave away a Lucid. No, I thought I gave away Tradeify growth on stream this week. Who won that? Am I tripping? Botan says, I won it for sure. I wonder if I'm just like goofing. But I could have sworn it was the Tradeify. Ahmad won the Tradeify one. Jacob, I think it was you, man. Honestly. Do I have to pull up that stream and check? Oh, you meant to give... Tradeify, but I gave you Lucid. Oh, well, that code might not be good then. No, I have your name written down for that one. Okay, I think I just gave you Lucid. So I think I have a Tradeify account to give away. But to play it safe, I think I'm just going to give away some Apex accounts. Because I don't want to, you know. Okay, your code worked? All right. All right, well, let's run an Apex giveaway. Let's just keep it simple. The raffle's on. Exclamation point, Gorilla. Gorilla mode. I'll give away like 2 of them, right? So, and we'll do spin the wheel. I said Tradeify, but the code had Lucid in it. So you should have that Tradeify account. Okay. I must have just had a brain slip. So hopefully you're cool with Lucid. I like Lucid. So hopefully you don't mind having Lucid instead of Tradeify. Get your raffle tickets here. Get them all I had. Fresh raffle tickets. Yeah, I like Lucid a lot too. All right. I mean, I'm short on my personal account with just like 3 micros. And I just want to see ES continue to reject VWAP. Otherwise, I'll kill the trade. But I'm short 45.25 on NASDAQ. Sounded a bit British. Well, it's mid-Atlantic, you know. So, you know, back in the early 1900s, you know, that mid-Atlantic, like, radio voice. Come on now. Get your papers here. I can't really do it well. Never practiced it. But you get the idea. Up about $200 on 3 micros. Not bad. I would like to see IBL hit. Might take one off here. All right, still short 2. Parshav, you do sound British. You have I feel like you learn British English, right? So you speak British English, not American English. So you do sound British. Garrett, that's the most wild comment I've ever seen. I don't even know what that means, honestly. But it's funny. All right, 700 bounce here. Can we crack it? Oh yeah, we can crack it. Can you dig it? Oh, it's a Shane Gillis bet. Okay. That's pretty funny. All right. How's the giveaway going? We got another minute and a half to join the giveaway. Get an Apex account. There's only 29 of you in here. I'm going to give away 2, so odds are very much in your favor compared to other giveaways on other channels, on lesser channels with more viewers. How many likes? You don't even have to like the stream, but it'd be nice if you did. I didn't even ask for likes. We just did the giveaway. I'm a little, you know, that trade helped turn my mood around a little bit. So I'm feeling all right. I'm not going to beg for likes, but I would appreciate it if you did hit the thumbs up button. All right, Tom, I'll check it out. Exclamation point, Gorilla, Jason, to enter. You have about another 30 seconds or something. Yeah, it'll make my mom proud if you hit the thumbs up button, that's for sure. And no matter how old I get, I'm still desperate for parental approval. All right, chat. How much time we got left on this giveaway? Is it over yet? All right. Entries are in, right? That's it. Let me get everybody copied. We'll spin the wheel. I'm going to pick 2 winners. And listen here, you see. If you are chosen, you need to DM me on Discord, and that's how I'm going to send you the code. And it's good for any size Apex account for the first month. If you fail it, make sure you cancel the account so you don't get charged. We have 44 entrants. When I will submit reviews on Gorilla, keeps telling me to log in again. Yeah, I'm still okay. I'll put that higher on my priority list. I'm having issues with that system, so I'm trying to get that set up so people can get more reviews. So hang in there. I appreciate it. Got to pay an activation. Yeah, you do have to pay the activation on Apex. That's how they get you. See? The winner is Arnesis. Heyo. Does Justin have 3 entries? Oh, he doesn't. Right? Now it just says 3 because as a member of the channel, usually you get a bonus if I run it in Streamlabs. You get like a extra entries. But so when I copy the name from Streamlabs, it shows like 3, but that's irrelevant in Spin the Wheel. He's only listed once in Spin the Wheel. So there's no bonus for the members there when I spin the wheel. But it's more entertaining that way. So Arnesis, you won. You can DM me on Discord. Let's pick another winner here. And I forgot to make the wheel more dramatic. So let's make it a longer spin. Really play up the drama here. I'm still sitting in that short. I took 1 micro off, still sitting in 2 micros. So it's a low stress trade, and it's kind of what we talk about where, you know, lower your size where it's not, you don't have to micromanage a trade. You can let it play out. It's just honestly such a big tip, and I have a hard time following that advice a lot of times myself. But it's very good advice. Hang on a second. I'm gonna scale. I might scale one out here. A little 700 battle here. You make this spin 2 minutes? That would be obnoxious, would it not? Okay. I'll take 1 off there. So just gonna hold 1 mini. Or sorry, 1 micro. All right, enough goofing off. Let's find the next winner here. Arnesis, make sure you DM me on Discord. So you're having a great green day? Finally, Jose, yeah. A little touch and go there for a minute. Ooh, Mott Koenig got edged out. Mr. Puff. Mr. Puff. Mr. Puff's a big winner. Okay, how many more accounts do I have to give away? Because I don't know, I've been saving them for a long time. I've had these accounts, these giveaway codes for months and months. Let's see here. Ba, 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 ba. I have like 2 more. I could save them. Here you have a spare Tradeify one. I mean, I kind of want to save it. How many trades do you typically take per day? On a good day, I take 3 trades. I mean, on a perfect day, I take like 1. But, so today I had a couple misfires when I was trading micros, when I wanted to be trading minis. So these 2 trades here pissed me off. They were supposed to be long minis and they were long micros. So that was 2 trades there. And then I took well, that's not correct. Hang on. It's not showing me the correct trades right now. There we go. Then for minis, I took 1 long, and it was a small loss. And then I hopped in short and added to it. So essentially, it was 4 trades today. Okay, Arnesis. Mr. Puff, just want to confirm that you also sent me a DM. That's Arnesis. Arnesis's second win as well. He won in November. Hey man, it pays to be part of our live stream here. So we had that spike up there to PDH. That almost stopped me out on my last contract. My stop is 36 and a quarter, and it came right on up there. Very close. So I'm still in this for now. All right, Mr. Puff, great. Let's send you your code. That's Mr. Puff's second win as well. Again, that's what you get for hanging out in the stream. You get freaking raffle wins on top of raffle wins. These are repeat winners because, again, there's like, what, 40 people in there? Rigged.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Thanks. Appreciate the opportunity for that soundbite. I think your wheel knows I'm not a prop from trader. Yeah, Paul, you never win. But also, Parshad never wins, and he is a prop from trader. Let's just pick another winner, because why not? The winner is Dedi Umo. I can't pronounce that, but hey, you won. Make sure you comment in chat to let us know that you're still here. I stopped out there on my final contract. Jason, you almost got him, man. You got edged out. Don got dinged on that one. Is Dedi in chat? Gotta make sure, otherwise I gotta pick a new winner. Let us know you're here. Unless you're not here, then please, you're not even hearing this. What to do to earn entry? You had to type in exclamation point gorilla like 10 minutes ago. All right, well, we're going to see if Daddy's still here. If not, I'll pick another winner. All right, Jared, I'll add you to the wheel. Just a heck of a guy. That's assuming that Daddy's not here. Rigged. I already played the soundbite, Rage.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
All right. Man, you guys just got to hang around the stream instead of just goofing off on other streams. You're not going to find a better streamer out there. All right. Okay, Daddy's giving up his win there. Unfortunately, he's not nowhere to be found. So I'm going to pick a new winner. Let's run it. What's up, Grizz? How's the gym? Jason's about to get edged out again. And Daddy's about to win again. Yo, this is rigged.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
This is rigged as shit. All right. Daddy, I'm deleting him from the thing. Let's run it again. That's hilarious. Why did you remove him? Because the odds are just like, come on, it's not gonna land on him twice. That's crazy. Jacob wins again? Man, that'd be something. Mr. Puff again? Come on. All right, Mr. Puff, you already won one. I'm sorry. I'm gonna pick another. I'm gonna pick someone else. No, you got yours. It's good. Usually, I'm cool with it, but come on, let's pick someone else. Let's spread the love here. This is crazy ass. What is this wheel doing? Ah, Botan, a repeat winner. All right, Botan, congrats, man. I will, whoops. I'll send you an Apex code. Spin it again, I'm banned from Apex. He's too successful. He's too successful on Apex. They don't like that. I reshorted, by the way. I'm still in short. Trade's working out very nicely. It's my personal account. Yo, what is with this wheel, man? This wheel's... This is so rigged.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Man, Mr. Puff. Sorry, dude. I'll just delete the names of people that won here. This is crazy. Jacob already... Oh, you didn't win today, right, Jacob? You won the other day. I'm just going to put like 9 Parshovs in here and no one else, and he still won't win. Whoops. Ooh, getting a nice jab down to my profit target here. Ooh. Man, this is a sick trade. Sorry, I'm just waiting for my order to hit here. Boom, order filled. Very nice. $500 there on the personal account. Botan, are you serious? Do you need it? Hang on. Let me get caught up here. So Mr. Puff Guy is. Okay, Botan. I'll send you your code, man. Will you DM me though? I don't. You're kind of lost in my DMs right now. Oh wait, I found you. You see what happened in Tanzania? No, dude, I live in America. We don't even know what's going on in America. No, I haven't looked at the news, man. I don't know what's going on. Okay. So Botan 1, I have one last code. Let's just go ahead and run it. Rob, didn't I put your name on the list? I didn't. I'll put your name on the list, Rob. De Rosa, I have to spin it again for you to be the winner. Okay. We'll do the last one. Hopefully the person's still here. And that's all my Apex codes. Are you serious? It's just landing on the same place every fucking time. That's not even random at all. All right, DeRosa. I mean, I don't know what else to do. DM me. I'll send you the code. This is rigged. This is just rigged. I don't know. In my Koenig, you're getting freaking edged every time. It's crazy. I wish I could just, refresh this whole thing. I wish I should have done that. But, okay, fine. The speed? Yeah, I thought it would still do random stuff, but you're right. It probably is that. Number of seconds for the wheel spin. All right. DeRosa, message me. You get the last code for Apex. And since I'm feeling crazy, I'm going to give away the Tradeify growth account. So, we're going to do one more spin. 3-minute spin. That's so annoying. I'll do a minute spin. That's plenty annoying enough. Okay, there's 45 view. Tradeify 50K growth account. That's all my codes. Here we go. This beeping sound's gonna drive me nuts. Ah, ads. Smart. Hey, Daniel, have you posted any new videos lately? Well, on Mango Street, we sure did. Why don't you post a link to it if people want to watch How to Be Happy? It's landing in the same spot. What is going on? At least it's someone else. Alright, whatever. This is stupid. Spin the wheel sucks. J Monet, congrats. You win the Tradeify 50K growth account. If you're still here, let us know in chat. Oh, there you are. Send me a DM on Discord. I'll send you the code. We got to find a new wheel, guys. I refreshed spin the wheel, pasted the new names, and changed the time. So I don't know what else it wants me to do. That's just some rigged shit. All right, we got the winner, J Monet. I don't want to get anyone's hope of this. I could do it again just for science, as no one's gonna win anything though. Do the duck race one. Is it gonna crash my computer? Okay, to be clear, this is not, you're not winning anything because I don't have anything else to give away. This is just a test. Oh my gosh, what if it lands on par shot? That'd be so fucking funny. That is the funniest shit I've ever seen. Oh, that's good. You can't. You, all right, I'm back. Who won this one? Where? J Monet, what's your name on Discord? Can you explain how features test payouts work? Yeah, I can. You buy the eval, right? J Monet, you got to tell me in YouTube chat just to verify, because anyone could message me on Discord. So in YouTube chat, you just got to tell me that you are like you're Yao on Discord. I just want to make sure I send it to the right person. Okay, got it. Thank you. So this for Tradeify growth. That's all me codes. All me codes. That's all I got. All right. I think everyone got their codes. Was I talking about something else beforehand? Because I kind of lost my train of thought. Oh, future test payouts. You buy the eval, right? So let's say the eval has a profit target of $2,000, for example, maybe $3,000, whatever. Once you make that in the allotted time, in the eval, you then move to like this building your buffer stage, and this is still simulated, and then you build up the same amount. You can do it as fast as you want. You're not limited to 14 days or 7 days or whatever. You can build it all up in one day. Once you do that, make that $3,000 or whatever it is, they're going to transfer you over to a live brokerage. And while they do that, you can withdraw as much as you want from that buffer you just made if you want to pay out. But it's going to obviously reduce the amount you have in your live account. And then once you're in the live brokerage, it's just daily payouts as far as I know. So, and there's like, no restrictions because, they're splitting the profit with you literally because it's a live brokerage. So, you have aligned profit motives, right? All right, it's 10:42. It's Friday. I actually had a pretty good day. Started off a little bit rough with just some Motivwave 7 mishaps and, not realize I was cross trading, but I did hit essentially 50% on 5 Lucid Flex accounts. If you want to check out the Lucid Flex accounts, they're on prop from Gorilla. You can compare them to any other prop from playing on here. In case you don't know, you go to Lucid Flex, hit compare, then load up another firm. It could be Lucid again. You can compare different Lucid accounts, and then get side by side, table on evaluation and funded rules, and see how it stacks up, and see if you like it. So that's that. We posted a new video on Mango Street just yesterday. Rachel wrote it. and it's near and dear to her heart. So if you want to watch something that maybe, you know, it's about finding happiness, like it's a good video. It's not about photography. It's a great video. If you wouldn't mind watching that, hit the thumbs up button on that one. Helps us out. We appreciate it. Thank you for hanging out with me this week. Hope you had a good one. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace out.